green patch. We're going to do a bike check on my new Chase ACT1 carbon frame. So starting off, looking at the front end of the bike, we've got the ODI Vans grips, answer lever, 11 bars with an 8-inch rise. Obviously it's got the through cable, 11 forks, alienation rims with Profile Elite hubs, all satin black, gloss black spokes. We've got a Profile front loader stem. Again, we've put all titanium bolts in it. 11 seat. Obviously, it comes with a carbon seat post as well, which comes with the frame when you do buy them. It's an aero. And then from there we go through to the Profile Elite cranks with a Ren and chainring. I'm running a 4416 with a titanium axle as well. Just Shimano pedals. If we move along to the rear, again we've got the Answer brake setup. Again, alienation rims with a Profile Elite hubs, 20mm front and rear, and a Profile rear sprocket with a 16 on the back. So it's just running the standard 4416. Then I've also put on the new Tioga faster tyre on the front and a faster React on the rear. So at a guess, we're looking around about the 7.5 to 8 kilo mark for total weight.